How would I look like in the 1930s TikTok trend? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do your own TikTok trend just like this. So first of all, you will have to go to your home page in your TikTok app and search for 1930s filter. Once you get here, you can click on any video. You can go on the first one that appears. Now you just have to click here at CapCut, try this template. After that, you have to click on use template in CapCut. And now you just have to click on use template. Of course, if you didn't had the CapCut template app, you can go to your App Store or Play Store and install this CapCut app. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo that you want. I will go with this one. Now you have to click on next. And the effect looks just like this. I disable the sound. And now you can just click on export from the right top corner. Click on export without watermark. Now you can click on next. You can add your hashtags, your description, and then you can post it. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another video like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.